A lot of people seem to wonder why artists see generative AI as immoral and theft. So let's look into why. The main reason we see generative AI as theft is because our work got scraped off the internet without our consent. This isn't just limited to imagery, but text has also been scraped. Authors have found that AI has been trained on their books as well, and one author discovered that ChatGPT was able to summarize a specific chapter of his book. So the entirety of his book has been used for training generative AI without his knowledge or consent. This online theft hasn't just happened to artists. The web crawlers have been going after all the content they can find. This includes photos that have been uploaded to social media and websites. So if there's any imagery of yourself online, be it some that you have uploaded, it's been uploaded by a friend or even a stranger, chances are it might be in the training data for generative AI. A lot of people believe that whatever they find online is fair game for them to use, but that truly isn't the case. Even if things are uploaded online, they are still protected by copyright. And while copyright laws may vary from country to country, in many countries the law grants the creator the copyright of the work when it's created, without registration and so on. And the creator then has the right to choose how their work is used, and they may claim compensation should their work be used without their permission. But copyright isn't just for artists. It's there for everyone who have created something. This includes the photos you take with your smartphone. And yes, there is a section regarding fair use in copyright law. However, that still doesn't mean that people can take what they find online and use as they please. Part of the issue with generative AI is that they are for-profit products. If someone is making money off your hard work without your permission and without compensation, then surely we are allowed to see that as theft. Of course, the argument is that our work may not be represented in the generated content. However, that isn't the point. There wouldn't be a generative AI without the training data, and AI is trained on stolen data. And no, AI isn't inspired by the work, like an artist is inspired by nature and other artists. It's basing all its work on the data it's trained on, and it cannot really create anything beyond that data. So it is theft, and our work is in there even though you cannot see it. Are artists impacted by AI in other ways than just having their work stolen? Yes, some are finding that they are losing jobs to generative AI, and as generative AI is trained on their work, they are more or less competing against their own work. But like I mentioned in previous videos, artists may still adapt. However, generative AI is also affecting non-artists. It's affecting their jobs and their job prospects. But the AI has also been trained on the content they've created and posted online. They might not see the financial impact of their content being taken and used, but with AI being used for deepfakes and for scamming, their likeness and information could potentially be used in other ways. Maybe not right now, but it could happen in the future. I know for a lot of people, this just sounds like hyperbole and things being blown all out of proportion, because yes, AI can be used for useful and good things as well. However, I just struggle to see the positives of generative AI. It appears to be mostly beneficial for the companies behind them, who are earning a lot of money off the subscription bought by would-be artists. Thank you for watching.